combines in the post um, for the HTTP post request. So once all the information collected in one variable, then it will be processed to go to send it to the server. Another thing is this application also encrypting the data in MD5. Let's say if I am pressing this, here it is showing that please enter user and password. So Yongo test password. Yongo is user, password is TEST test. When the process of do login starts, the first step of the password is to secure the password is to I have converted it into MD5 format, MD5 encryption format. So this is the calling of MD5 function. This is MD5 function, the procedure, full process, how it is doing the whole encryption. After doing this encryption, it will generate a long string, unreadable string, so nobody can read that password until it is decrypted. So in the database, it's also stored in the MD5 format. So if someone has hacks into the system and let's say he has access to the database, so he can't read the password or any other information. So here is my database, which is stored which is used to store information. I have two usernames and password, two users. One is Adil and second is Yongo, and this is actually the password which I have entered in the application. The password is test, TEST, and here it is. You can see that it's something else. So when it is come back to the application, it will decrypt it back to the original format. So the system can read, and whatever they want, the system wants to do, so it can do. Okay, now I am going to broadcast my plan. So here it is. Broadcast my plan is my first activity. Send private messages. Broadcast plan is used to broadcast your plan, your plan, where you want to go to the destination, where like from London to Wales you wanna go. So you will enter the date, time, and the locations where you wanna go. So same, send private messages. So this activity is used um, to send a message to that person whom you want to whom with you wanna go with. So you will know the user ID when you will find the required person. So you will enter the ID and message and send it to the send button. Then it will go to the um, further um, to the broadcaster person. So from here you can find the let's say today you are let's say tomorrow you are wanna go to Manchester. You will enter the date from means location London to um, Manchester and press search. Then you will find the results. So let's enter a bit some where I am going to broadcast a plan. Let's say on 29th 01 2011. And I wanna go at 10 o'clock. So I will write here 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. and from I am here in London and I want to go to Oxford. Oxford. Yeah. Now you can broadcast your plan. Plan is broadcasted. So once you broadcast your plan, it will be available in throughout the world. So it's basically useful for typically for London, for UK, but because it is available throughout the world. So if a person actually this depends on the application where you are using actually. So definitely the client and the broadcaster both must have to here in UK in the UK, so they can communicate. So once they have entered the owner of the car has broadcasted the plan, so it is available on the internet. This service is actually working on via the internet, and the client must has this application to find out the person whom you wanna go with. So to use the internet actually to enable the internet to your application, you must has to declare this statement into your Android manifest XML. So if you don't declare this statement here, it will not interact with the internet, and it will not go into the to the to the database. Here are different in this file. You can see here are different activities declared, and once you shift one activity to other activity, uh, it actually communicate with this file, and this file guides that application that where you now where you need to go, which page you has to go now. So